Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix front camera not working on Snapchat. Well, I want you to double check your phones if you have your front camera working. To do so well, head on over onto your camera applications built in your phones. And I want you guys to head on over and turn the cameras to the front and double check if the camera is working. As you can see here, the camera is working. So we could head on over and double check and confirm that it is working. So head on over onto Snapchat, and you could also try to switch onto the front camera. And as you can see, it is working right here. And if the problem is still persisting, though, you could actually head on and relaunch the application and reinstall the program and hope for the best that it's going to well solve the problem. To do so, all you need to do is add a number and delete the application from your devices. Click on Remove App and click on Delete Application. And then I want you guys to reinstall the application over here onto the Apple App Store. And of course, it's going to give you a fresh new install of the application and possibly solve your problem. You could also restart your device, guys, if the problem is still persisting. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.